Okay, now this is pretty much what you need to understand about ellipses and hyperbolas for this course. Except, of course, if the center is not at the origin, if the center is at the point HK, then we just transform the thing. We shift everything over to H and up to K, right? By replacing X by X minus H and Y by Y minus K. And we should have a pretty good handle on why and how that works. So we get this equation, and down here we get the similar equation that I'm not going to write out. You're going to do the same thing. Okay? Okay, so that's how we do this. Now, why is this important? Well, it's important for a lot of reasons. And I'm not deriving these things. I assume you know how they're derived. The ellipse has two foci, and the sum of the distances from the two foci to every point of the ellipse is the same. Okay? And the hyperbola has two foci, and the difference of the distances is the same. And you have an equation for the foci, c squared equals a squared minus b squared, etc. Okay? In other words, all the properties. You have to know what a hyperbola is, what an ellipse is, just in general, to be a literate human being. Okay? I mean, if you didn't learn this in 8th grade geometry, there's something seriously wrong, but of course we know there is with 8th grade geometry. Okay? And if you didn't actually draw these things, you take a piece of string, tack it down to 2 points, and then you just trace around the ellipse. Ever done that? Terrible. I mean, really is. It's really criminal. And I would prosecute it if I knew who was responsible.
Mostly me.
Huh?
Mostly me.
No. Almost nobody's ever done it. There's something terribly wrong with a curriculum that doesn't have people do this. That's a little harder to do with a hyperbola, but at least the ellipse. I mean, have you ever actually taken a piece of string and traced out a circle?
Yes.
I was afraid we were in for a really terrible future. So, okay.